Guys, so everybody's been raving about this dirt cheap buggy, and I have no idea why, so in this video, we're gonna find out. Check it out, guys. What do you reckon? So this is the XK Match. Everybody else calls it WL Toys. I've got no idea why. Because everywhere on the box it says XK. It's a bit like calling that an Audi. Oh, it is. Alright, so here we have the Audi Match. Subscribe! So we got alloy coilover shocks, front and rear, double wishbone suspension, metal drive shafts, fully adjustable suspension, four-wheel drive, alloy chassis, more metal shafts, and a brushed motor, which is supposed to make it go 45 kilometers an hour, which is 28 mile an hour. And we got a GPS, so we can test it. So charge it up, we plug that into there, and that into there. And don't charge near anything flammable. Lipos can catch fire randomly. Then the controller needs 4 AA's, and Duracell's is going to make it go faster. Man, it's going to take forever on this. So I'm going to charge it up on my big charger. And if you want to know where you can get that from, link down below. Also link down below is where you can get the car from, the GPS, and also all the specifications and technobabble. Oh, all charged up. Whoa, steering's actually pretty fast and powerful. Oh ho ho! Let's get the GPS on there. Oh look, we got some new parcels. We'll have a little look in there a bit later. Oh, 23 mile an hour. Not quite the 28 promised. We are on location. We got Nobber and Nobbet in the house. Oh, tumble-wumble. Footage, footage, footage. Ian wants to see it go to the moon, and we have a perfect opportunity. So we've got 2 options. We've got that one there with a bigger run up, and we got that one there that's going to go up higher. Which one do you reckon? Ian says longer run up. We got to try and clear this. If we hit this, it's going to be instant death. Flat out. Oh, backflip. Oh, and we're on the grass landing, and it didn't take it. What happened? Oh, no, it's just popped off. If we can find it, we're back in action. This little steering link's popped off. So it would be somewhere. Hey, Ian's found it. So we clip it back on and then back in action. Get me wanking spanners in there. I think I need pliers. Oh, we're on. We are on. And we are back in action. All right, the big one's getting it. Less run up, but more moon. Here we go. Flat out. Oh, straight on the concrete. And it loves it. It takes it. Next, we have the loop of doom. Here we go. Hey! Tumble, wumble. Footage. Footage. We're big kids, aren't we? Yeah. Go on, get on that thing.
Push yourself off properly.
Go on. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, you nearly bottomed out. Yes. All right, let's have a look, see what we got in here. Check this out. We've got all these trill upgrades here for the low seat LMT. Oh, guys, check that out. These are aluminium beadlock rims for the LMT. Guys, that is going to look sick, and it's going to be on the video soon, so make sure you subscribe. And smash the bell so you don't miss it. Oh my God, guys, that looks absolutely amazing. Come on, come on. Oh, we got another X-Max. It's Christmas every day. Come on, come on. Out you come. It's giving birth. And we got another X-Max. So guys, we got stuff coming up with these. Stay tuned. Not in this video, but soon. So you know what you got to do. You know what you got to do. Oh look, another post just turned up. We got a drifter. Definitely a toy grade, like full toy grade. So that is going to be in the video. It's going to be like the world's cheapest RC car special video. Soon coming up. You know what you got to do, you know.